Hi everyone, it's Teresa back with Craving Crochet. Hi, it's Teresa with Craving Crochet back with another video. Today I am doing a draw of the people that took part in my Square Share, hashtag Square Share 2022 Crochet Along Challenge giveaway collab. So the square that I did, I believe I first posted it in March, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. So it went from March until April 30th, I believe. I could be wrong. I'm not 100% sure, but I tried to give everyone lots of time to come up with something. So this was my square. It was the popcorn stitch square. I ended up personally making a pillow with it, which I believe I showed it off in a video or two ago. So this was my square challenge that I challenged and put out there. I put it on my Facebook group, I put it out on Instagram, and I told people about it, and I got a grand total of 2 people that entered, which I'm very, very grateful for, because now these 2 people have a 50-50 chance of winning my prize, which I'm not sure what it's going to be. It's going to be at least $50 value prize. I don't know if it's going to be yarn or what. I have to talk to them. So whoever wins is going to get a beautiful prize from me, Craving Crochet, worth $50. It could be yarn, it could be glitter, it could be whatever they want. I'm going to give them the choice. They're both these women that entered are in the States. So what I'm going to try to do is maybe send them something through a local area where they live. So anyways, these are my 2 entries. And they're on 2 pieces of paper, and I'm just kind of mixing them up. I'm not looking, and then I'll just pick one, and may the best or may the winner be chosen, whoever the Lord wants to win. Okay, so I'm mixing. Okay, oops, I dropped one, so I'm gonna get that one. Okay, so the one that I dropped, so this was the piece of paper. There was 2. Okay, and the one that won, oh my gosh, was Lisa Walker. She always wins. She always wins. Congratulations, Lisa Walker. You have won my hashtag 2022 Crochet Along Square challenge that you took part in. I will put pictures of both of my entries. They both made the exact same object. It wasn't a pillow, but it was a great idea. And thank you so much for participating. And I'm excited that you won again, Lisa. Okay, everyone, have a wonderful rest of your week.